So guys, dito naman ang next stop over natin, papuntang Vanishing Island. Yo!
Of Sanipaan Marine Park, or known as Vanishing Island. So, Sanipaan Marine Park is one of the community-based ecotourism destination in Samal Island.
Yan, papunta kami ng Vanishing Island.
Ah, ganun, marami. Ay, Daddy!
Sakto lang yung oras natin to.
Itong oras na to.
Kasi pag umaga, high tide pa yun.
Okay. Yan.
Thank you!
So guys, saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Vanishing Island!
Come on over! So para makapunta sa Vanishing Island, ang babayarang pangka natin dito ay nagkakahalagang 400 to 450 pesos. Good for 5 person na yun. So guys, parang feeling mo napaka-private ano. Oops. Ang galing. Saktuhan lang.
Uli natin. Dere!
Hello, say hello.
Hello!
Ay,
Init! Takali sa pa!
tara na. Vanishing Island is one of the many beaches and tourist attraction in Samal Island, Davao del Norte. The local authorities have recently developed this heavenly destination to attract more tourists.
Asa na iyo ko? Huwag mo nakalkalit ako maglaglagan ng mga tawil dyan.
Bumaba na eh. Ito, oh. Yun. Oh wow, there's a lot of mangroves have been planted around the island. And there is a lonesome cottage on stilt stands on the island. While the bustling city life of Davao at the horizon serve as the backdrop. Ang ganda, di ba? Can you see, Mama?
So nice.
It's really nice here. At the Vanishing Island, there's a nice sandbar at this place. Ano daw? Ano ba nasabi ko? Vanishing Island in Samal, Davao is said to be a good dive site. Though we did not try snorkeling or diving here, the rich marine life is highly evident. Getting off from our park bangka to the white shores of the island, we saw seagrasses, small fishes, shells, and starfishes from the crystal clear water below. Vanishing Island is indeed heavenly, and I hope with its rise to fame as one of the best tourist attraction in Samal Island, the Bao del Norte, this majestic place will be kept protected. Ganda ng buhangin dito, yun. Mangrove trees. So, ito yung sandbar na napakahaba. Napakaganda ng panahon. Talaga nag-enjoy kami sa lugar na ito. There is starfish. Wow, so big.
Sit here.
So guys, kapag nakakita kayo ng starfish sa dagat, huwag nyo na siyang iaangat sa tubig. Kasi ang mga starfish nahihirapan niyang huminga kapag inangat sa tubig.
Ito ganito. Yan. Lang dyan kalan dyan sila. Yung kapida.
And we're done. And we have to go back. And here we go.
And here we go.
Going
Going
back.
back from Vanishing Island back to
Sama.
Sama.
Another. Paano nga ba pumunta sa Vanishing Island? From Davao City, you have to travel to Samal Island, Davao del Norte. You can choose any of the routes. Sa Santa Ana Warp, near Magsaysay Park, where motorboats are take passengers directly to Kaputian and Talikod Island. Pwede rin sa Sasa Warp, the Paradise Island Warp, where motorboats take passengers directly to Babak Warp. And also, from Sasa, there's a ferry boat landing where passengers can ride the Island City Express bus from R. Castillo and Cabaguio Street. That is a satellite terminal and be transported by a ferry boat. So ayun, dito na natatapos ang part 2. Marami pong salamat. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. At abangan ang part 3. See ya! Alam na yarn!